I'm not sure what kind of birds those are. Yeah. Some of that stuff I put out there is kind of old and hard, but obviously she knows what to do. I wanted to get closer, but I was afraid I would scare them away. Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? I think your child is asking the same thing. Where did you go? Where did you go? Child abandonment caught on camera. Oh, wait, wait. He's going too. He's going too. Oh, wait. He's there. Maybe somebody can tell me what kind of birds those are. Because I don't know for sure. He's speckled. He, she, whoever. Oh, poor little guy. Come back and get your baby. He's still hungry, Mom. Oh. Now where'd he go? There he is. Oh, well now he's gone. Maybe they'll be back.